Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up guys? Take a second. I know you can see I'm in my studio. Today I got an unboxing for you guys. It is a small unboxing for some things that I needed in my studio suite. So without further delay, I'm gonna just go ahead, jump straight into it because I know you guys want to see what's in the box, as well as in the next one, we're gonna be able to show you what I did with the place. So come closer, let's go ahead and take a look. I ordered this, but this was somehow accidentally sent to my house. It is a label maker with pink tape. So I'll be able to label everything. I definitely needed one, so thank you to whoever ordered it to my house. Next, I did end up buying a, what's this, hole puncher. It is cut up. Well, I bought a hole puncher so that I will be able to punch a hole in the loyalty cards that I will be giving my new clients and even my existing clients. And I will show you guys that in the next video when I reveal my suite. So I will reveal what my new business cards as well as what my loyalty cards will look like. So I'm super excited to show you guys, and I hope you guys see the vision. I hope it's giving what it needs to give, okay? But anyway, so I bought a lip hole puncher for those loyalty cards, but even though the tag says lips, the actual hole puncher is a dragonfly, so not fun. Then I bought some lip silicones. So this is definitely something that I needed because I had, here's one. I had this vision of doing 3D lips on my wall in my suite. So I've already made them, so I'm super excited to show you guys just because I wanted to test it out when I first got it. So you guys are gonna see. So also with my loyalty cards, I decided that I wanted to do a mystery discount. So after you receive 4 visits, or after you come for 4 visits, paid visits, on your 5th one, you will be able to scratch it off and will be able to reveal your mystery discount. So it'll be anywhere between 10 to 50% off. Isn't that exciting? I think it's exciting. So I have bought some gold scratch off stickers so that I'll be able to apply those on my loyalty cards. I can't wait to show you guys how they look. So I bought some sterilization pouches so that I can start sterilizing my tools, just to up the level of the service. I feel like by cleaning them with the sterilized pouch or in the sterilizer just makes it seem like a little bit more luxury, even though you're supposed to do this anyways. But you have the options. There's a 3-step process to cleaning your tools. Then I purchased some black dental bibs. I bought 250 of them, so they should last me for a good minute. So these are black. I don't have anything to open it with, but you guys will see once I do the reveal of the suite what the dental bibs look like. I know before I did an unboxing, and when I was in my previous suite, I had purple dental bibs. So they're literally the same, just a different color. So this is the sterilizer. The sterilization box that I purchased that I will be setting. I want to set it on top of my counter, but I'm not sure. I may just bring it out when I need to sterilize my tools, or like I said, just leave it on my counter. And then last but not least, I got another air purifier. Well, this is actually my first air purifier. I bought a diffuser for my last suite that changed colors, but instead of getting that, I bought a air diffuser, which I'll be able to put essential oils in those as well, so that I'll be able to make the room smell good. But here is what it looks like, and I definitely will go ahead and make sure I link everything down below in the description box if you're interested in purchasing some of these items. But give me 1 second. So that I can show you guys. So this is the manual, safety instructions. This is what it looks like. The side, back. The adapter goes here. Other side. And then you open it up. You have the cord that goes in the back. You have the handles for the metal tray that you have on the inside. Then this is the inside. Okay, so that is what that one looks like. The cord. So this tells me here, and even down here it says only add the essential oils to the pad in the middle. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and so little. is one of the filters. So you take this off, and then the aroma pad is in the middle. Just but you insert it back in, and you press the button. It feels plugged up. Last but not least, I want to show you guys what the black dental bibs look like. These are the black dental bibs. Very disposable. They're not. I have 249. But that is going to wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what else you'd like to see on my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Devyzed, so that you're all caught up on everything else that I don't happen to make it to YouTube. I have some other videos coming to you for sure. The reveal of my sweet. Yes, super exciting. But also consider subscribing to my channel. I'm doing the best I can, uploading pretty much once a week. That feels comfortable for me right now, but I'm gonna do better, guys. Until next time, peace.